This video is for all my girls shopping on a budget or for anyone who just likes nice, classic, mostly natural fabrics and they don't want to break the bank. I am talking about retailers that don't get enough love here on YouTube. I'm talking about Kohls, I'm talking about J. Crew Factory, and I'm talking about Banana Republic Factory. This is a little mishmash of all of them, and I placed a few orders with all three retailers, and I have found some classic pieces that you're gonna wanna wear all through spring and well through the summer as well. Now, I have mixed these pieces with stuff I already had in my closet, so not everything you see on my body might fall into that budget category, but I will list everything no matter what. If you're curious and want to learn more, or if you want to shop using my links, check the description box, check the pinned comment, and if any of this stuff is on the YouTube shopping platform, you'll be able to shop the products right around here somewhere. Can't remember which side of the screen it pops up on. All right, my friends, let's start with outfit number one, which is geared toward those of you whose spring is not quite hitting 90 degrees like it is here in San Antonio. This one is a sweater and jeans outfit. This beach sweater is from J. Crew Factory, and it is a classic. Very preppy, great material for springtime, very lightweight, cotton. I don't wanna say it's 100% cotton because I didn't look it up, but it might be. I'll put it on the screen, the fabric content. It comes in a bunch of colors. Over the weekend, it was on a deep discount. I think around 30 some odd dollars, but either way, even if it's back to normal price on J. Crew Factory, you know it's gonna be a great budget find. And it's gonna work well into the summer months because then I would just drape it around my neck and tie it like an accessory. Then the jeans, you've seen these so many times on my channel already. I love them. I love that modern front pocket style. I think it's really flattering and it makes the leg look a lot longer. These, I would say, run true to size. If a little roomy, don't size down, but it just gives you some wiggle room, so I'm wearing my regular size. And then I just have to call out the loafers. These are not on the YouTube shopping network, but these are a lookalike for a much more expensive loafer that I've talked about over and over and over again, and if you still haven't grabbed them, you're really gonna want them. Outfit number two might be my favorite outfit of this entire video, but please stay to the end because it might not be your favorite outfit and you don't wanna miss out. Let me tell you why. This looks like such an expensive outfit. It is not at all. And what makes it expensive is the use of the colors, the black top, the white bottoms, and the sprinkling of like brown and tan in the accessories, the belt, the shoes, the bag. It's how you put together the outfit, not necessarily what you actually spent on it. So let's start from the top with the tank top from Kohls. That is, as I am reading this, $6.79. So if you remember the tank top that I got from Amazon recently, that it was ribbed, V-neck, very similar. I would say this is a thicker, more substantial feeling fabric. Dare I say, it feels more expensive, and it's ribbed just like the Amazon version. I think this is just a little bit nicer, and I'm fairly positive it's also a little bit less expensive. Now, these Palazzo pants are also from Kohls, and they're also denim. They're jeans. They are a great lightweight denim. I feel like the white jean is something you're gonna want in your closet, and you're gonna want a few different silhouettes. This is not just wide leg, this is full-on Palazzo pants. They are white, but they are not see-through. You can't even really see the outline of the pockets, which I think is a really great deal, especially since it's under $50. These also come in a beautiful, deep indigo blue, like really dark, really rich as well. I think the white is the way to go, especially for spring and summer. And then to bring in those pops of brown or tan, I added a belt that happens to be reversible. The other side is black, but I like it in the brown better, the brown suede shoes, and then this brown woven tote that is a lookalike for a much more expensive version. I've had this one for years. It's been a perennial bestseller among my community here on YouTube, and if you haven't snatched this one up yet, I do have the original, and this one, it's better. This next outfit kind of surprised me. I ordered this top thinking, I don't know, I'm gonna style it. I think it's interesting. I think I need more going out tops or slightly dressier tops, so this is why I threw it in the cart. This one is from Banana Republic Factory, and when I saw it on the website, I thought, I don't think I'm gonna be able to tuck this in. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. So as you're seeing this, it's not tucked in because I didn't think it would work with the ruching on the side, but because it's a lightweight, thinner material, and thinner does not mean cheap necessarily, it just means it's not as substantial, it can easily be tucked in, and the ruching isn't bulky, so it lies nicely under pants. So this Smocked ruched tank comes in white, dark beige, and navy as well. I love the ruching across the lower belly, on the sides. I think it is beautiful. And I paired them with a pair of pants you're gonna see again, I think in the next video. If you're traveling or you just need a pair of pants that you might need to dress up, but you could also throw on a sweatshirt with it and just look very cool and casual, grab these wash silk pants. These are from Quince. They are selling out rapidly. I don't know if Quince is phasing them out for spring, summer, but I wear these all the time when I have a nicer dinner or an event I wanna go to, but I don't wanna wear a dress. These are amazing, and I can wear a nice blouse, or in the winter months, I'll throw a cashmere sweater over it. You can so easily dress this up, but you can also wear these with sneakers and a t-shirt, and it's just a very casual vibe, but they are selling out quickly. I don't even know if the navy is still available. I know it's available in black, burgundy, maybe 4 other colors. So I remember the champagne-y kind of cream color would look stunning for spring and summer evenings. So grab them while you can, because I think they're going bye-bye. And then the heels are from Dolce Vita, so they're not on the budget-friendly list, but I have been wearing them a lot. So if we're gonna price them out, price per wear, they might end up being budget-friendly. The next outfit, I actually showed a sweater very similar to this in my most recent Amazon haul. And if you missed that, I'll pop it up there. Just click on that button and you can watch it. It's from Vera Wang, featured at Kohl's. And if you've been looking for one that's a little longer than the ones that I featured in that Amazon haul with the fringe around the bottom, this one is a teeny bit longer. I like where it hits on the body. I think it stops at a more flattering point on the body. The material is thinner. The actual sweater is a finer knit gauge. The fringe is thinner as well, so it's not as bulky around the hips. So I actually like this one a little bit better. I'm not getting rid of the two I have. I just think this is a more dressy option. And then I paired it with another Kohl's find. The Vera Wang line at Kohl's is turning out to be sort of my go-to. I'm really impressed with the quality and the options. So these are wide leg pants. They also come in sort of a denim look, a plum and a black. And I have to tell you, even though I buy a lot of clothes to make these videos, I think I need to go and order the denim ones as well. I think they're just gonna be something I reach for all the time. I love this beige color, but the denim, it's a must-have. It has a pull-on elastic waist, does have a drawstring, ties in front, love the pockets, and I really like that pin tuck seam down the front. I think that's a little detail that makes these look higher quality. I hate saying more expensive, because expensive doesn't necessarily equal quality, and less expensive doesn't mean less quality. So I think that's a sort of a connection we throw around a lot. It doesn't, they're not always connected, but loving this tone on tone look. I have a few more finds from Kohl. So this is another Vera Wang find. It's a V-neck sweater sort of tee. I think I bought this last year. So that is a hazard of my job. Sometimes I repurchase things because I bought so many things I forgot I already have it in my closet. And I'm pretty sure I purchased this either last year or the year before. And I don't mind, because it's such a great sweater. I love the way it drapes. I love that you can fold under the hemline and make it look like it's tucked in and bloused, but it's not. It does have a slight shimmer to it, which doesn't bother me for daytime, but if you want to wear it out for nighttime, perfect. It also comes in a gorgeous slate blue that I also might need to grab. Would look great with those pants from the last outfit in the denim color if you want to go more tone on tone. I do want to say that this color is listed as pink-ish, pink something on the Kohl's website. It's not pink, it's beige, and it's beautiful, and I love it. And I paired it with another Kohl's find. This is a high-rise pull-on jean. It's an interesting fit. Not fit, but closure, because it's an elastic waist and it has a drawstring and it has a button closure, but there's no zipper. So the button closure is really nice because it makes it look like there's more going on, like an actual zipper fly, but it's not. It's full on pull on, and then I like the more rope style drawstring part of it. And then the espadrilles that I'm wearing are another Amazon find, so they do count as a budget find. Now we're moving into Banana Republic Factory. I didn't specifically segment this into different retailers. It just sort of naturally fell that way. So let's talk about this outfit that I did already share over on Instagram. First, let's talk about the top. So it's a linen blend pullover top, and it runs very oversized. It is supposed to fit that way. I am wearing it in the extra, extra small. I love the pleating and the way it's cut on the sides, it really does lend itself to do more of that French tuck or front tuck because of the way it's cut. I love the cuffs. It's right about at the elbow, just shy of a 3/4 length sleeve, which makes it to me much more wearable, and it's more of a statement cuff as well. This does come in other colors, but I just love the white. I can just see throwing this on instead of a white t-shirt. And if you want to wear it untucked and be unbothered, that works as well. Now let's talk about these pants. These pants have gotten a lot of us very excited. These are the Tencel mid-rise pleated pants. They're a pull-on style, sort of. It's an elastic waist, but then a zip front, button closure front. So similar in concept to the Athleta pinnacle trousers that I also love, quite a bit less. I bought them for $60. As of filming this, they're now on sale for $50, so somewhere around $50, $60. They come in 3 other colors and 3 inseam lengths. I love them. I'm wearing them in the regular length. I can wear them with flats. Here's the thing. This is a thin Tencel. It's gonna wrinkle. It's gonna wrinkle like linen. So if that's something that bothers you, just skip right over these. Don't even, like, if you don't like that slightly rumpled look as the day goes on, you're gonna hate these. It's gonna make you crazy. I wear them all day long. I was sitting and standing and sitting and standing. They absolutely wrinkled, but they're so soft. And I love how they drape and they love how they flow. So I'm fine with it. I know not everyone is fine with it. So I'd rather you just skip over this one and find something you know you're gonna love. Just wanted to save you finding out about that. And then I am wearing them with some Quince loafers. They are one of my most worn shoes. Okay, now we're gonna be wearing the same pair of pants and 2 different tops. So let's talk about the pants in this one first. I was so excited when I saw these, and I still absolutely love them, but you need some fit information. So this is a linen blend wide leg pant, and I keep reaching down because I'm actually wearing them right this minute. It has a flat front panel and a faux fly kind of stitching. Gorgeous pant. The regular inseam length is perfect. I'm 5'4". My legs are a little long, slightly out of proportion to my height. So if you're a true petite with petite proportioning, I would say go for the short. There's also a tall inseam length. Pockets on the sides, fully functional pockets on the back. Here's where I'm a little disappointed. Did I read the reviews before I ordered this? No. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do to get some fit ideas. Should have there. These run big, size down. These fit me okay. I'm wearing them in my regular extra small. They're a little too loose in the waist, even with the tops tucked in. So I cannot stress this enough. It is a flat in the front, but the back is all elastic and they run very loose, and the size chart is all lies. It says that the extra small is waist sizes 24 and 25, which are teeny tiny. They're like child sizes. I am not at 24 or 25, but I'm telling you, these would fit even that much better and it'd be a little more flattering on my waist if I had gone a size down. The only way I would say order your actual size is if you're built straight up and down or more apple shaped and you carry more weight in your middle, then maybe. But otherwise, these might be the perfect summer pants. They come in 4 other colors. They're fantastic. They just run a little bit big. The first tee you're seeing is the cap sleeve linen blend tee, and it's almost identical to this one that we'll talk about in a minute. It does have a little notch on the hemline on the sides, just a little notch there. It's not see-through, it's true to size. It is a great basic for spring and summer. It comes in 11 color options, some with some different kind of stripe options as well. I will be ordering more of these. They do, I would say, run true to size with a little bit more room to them because I am not precious with my linen. I will be throwing them in the dryer. So get your true size, do not size down. They're not gonna super shrink though. You're gonna be okay. Then the other tee I wanna talk about, same pair of pants, is this one. Very similar, same linen blend. It's 52% linen, 48% polyester. So it's a blend. 9 colors and stripes here. I feel like this is thinner and more fluid and drapey than the first top, even though it's the same composition. Maybe it's just me. This one has a straight hemline, comes in 9 colors and stripes, so not as many options. And then really the only difference is that it just comes a little bit lower down on the arm. It's not a cap sleeve, and both of them are more of a boxy fit. If you want a more fitted classic fit, just size down 1. Now we have some more stuff from Kohl's. I will just tell you, I broke this up into tees and pants and then moving into skirts and dresses. That was the progression of this video. So this next one, really the focus is all about this linen blend maxi skirt from Kohl's. It is a super soft linen blend. The maxi skirt is the big thing for this season, far more so than even like a long dress, like a maxi dress. It's all about a maxi skirt. It's a drawstring waist, it's an elastic waist, it fits roomy, it has pockets, it's a true maxi. It also comes in a really pretty cream, sort of off-white and burgundy as well. And I just paired it with a Quince sweater tank that I had last year, and it's back on their website, and it's only $32. So definitely budget friendly. The shoes are not. They're another Dolce Vita find, but again, price per wear, they're gonna even out to be budget friendly. Now let's bounce back over to Banana Republic Factory for this very Anthropologie looking dress. I love this color. It does come in another color, and then it comes in a black pattern that just screams Anthropologie. This is a linen blend. It's fully lined, cap sleeves, side zip, no pockets. I wish there were pockets, but I understand this silhouette just does not lend itself to pockets. I think this is a great spring and summer sort of daytime occasion dress if you're going out for dinner with friends. It's a beautiful dress. Now the neckline is, there's no snap or anything to make it lay flat, so I would recommend a little sticky tape, or if you have one of those tack guns that we all got from Amazon, just do a little tack right there. The lines are not your typical dress silhouette. It's a little big in the waist on me. I don't think sizing down would fix this. I do think this would fit a little better, less on an hourglass shape, more on an apple shape or an athletic build. Just if you're straight up and down, it'll give you the illusion of having a waist. But if you have more of a waist, there's gonna be a little more fabric, I would say, on the sides. But I think it is a stunning dress. Then we have two dresses in a row from J. Crew Factory. In fact, we're closing with that. And I just want to point out that as of filming this, one is on final sale and one is on deep discount. So I'm hoping they're still in stock. Fingers crossed. I did share them over on Instagram stories when I was filming this video, just in case they sold out. So the first is a mixed media eyelet dress. This is the more casual of the two. Nice wide straps, even though it's a tank style, so very bra friendly, stretchy fabric. You pull it over your head. I believe it does come in some other colors. It has pockets. I love the eyelet skirt. I love the way the hemline goes. It's very pretty, it's very feminine, perfect for summer. If it's still a little chilly where you are, grab the beach sweater from the first outfit and just pull that on over and you have a completely different outfit. Or as it warms up a little bit, you can tie it around your neck and then progress into nothing when it gets warm enough. It's just lovely. It's just one of those throw on, walk out the door. You could wear it with flip-flops, you could dress it up. J. Crew Factory does summer dresses so well. But then this last one is my favorite dress out of all of them. It's another eyelet dress, midi length, but it's full eyelet. It's much more fitted. It's a little more dressed up, a little more formal, almost like a corset type. I think it's because it's that square neckline, so it feels like it squeezes and pushes everything in. Still bra friendly though. Really appreciate that. I didn't have to wear a strapless bra with this. It does also have pockets. It's fully lined. It is definitely more fitted. I got my true size. And it is smocked in the back as well as having a zip. So it gives you a little wiggle room across that back. But I think it is so pretty. And when I shared it on Instagram, quite a few of you messaged me. Some of you picked it up for graduation events. Somebody had a bar mitzvah they were going to and grabbed it. Someone said they were wearing it to their daughter's graduation. So congratulations to all of you who have already picked this up and are wearing it for joyous celebrations. I almost forgot, possibly the standout find of the haul. This one is from Banana Republic Factory. Let me scooch back. This is a faux leather trimmed straw kind of hobo tote. So you have the faux leather here, and then my favorite is you have the faux leather here so you can set it down on the ground if you need to or wherever, and you don't have to worry about damaging the straw. It is also fully lined and, as you can see, fully used. It has a zipper pocket and a slip pocket, and it does close with a nice strong snap across the top there. And it just fits really nicely under the arm, against the body. And I have been wearing this bag every single day since I got it. This is from Banana Republic Factory. I don't know if I mentioned that. They have some amazing accessories. This looks like something that should be, if not the 3 figures, easily into the 4 figures, and it was under $100, and I'm gonna be wearing this all spring and all summer. Let's just take a moment to celebrate that all of those pieces were well under $100 each. I think all of them were under $50 each. give or take a handful of them. So definitely some great on-trend, modern silhouette, budget-friendly pieces, won't break the bank, and they're classics. They're not just a statement piece that you throw that money at once and can't wear it again. You're gonna grab these and pull from your closet and combine them with all kinds of things that you already have. So let me know what you thought about this first kind of brief look, and let me know if there's any retailers you want me to really dive into and do a dedicated video on. I can do that as well. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that you had fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.